ആൻജിയോസ്പേം അനാട്ടമിയിലെ ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് പോകുന്നത്. ഒന്നാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം, ദ ടിഷ്യൂ റെസ്പോൺസിബിൾ ഫോർ പ്രൈമറി ഗ്രോത്ത് ഈസ്. The tissue responsible for primary growth is option B, apical meristem. Intercalary meristem is commonly found in. Intercalary meristem is commonly found in option B, monocots. Lateral meristem produces option B, secondary tissue, which is a simple permanent tissue. Option C, collenchyma. Dead mechanical tissue in plants. Option D, sclerenchyma. Cells with unevenly thickened corners. Option C, collenchyma. Water conducting tissue. Option C, xylem. Food conducting element of phloem is option B, sieve tube. Living component of xylem is option D, xylem parenchyma. Companion cells occurs in option B, phloem. Cork cambium is also called option B, phellogen. Tissue formed towards outer side of the cork cambium. Is option C, phellem. Stone cells are sclerites, option B. Secretory tissues include option A, resin duct. Hydrathodes are associated with option A, guttation. Root hairs arise from epidermis, option B. Casparian strip occurs in endodermis, option C. Exarch xylem is characteristic of option B, root. In dicot root, vascular bundles are radial. Passage cells are found in option B, endodermis. Pericycle gives rise to option B, lateral roots. Pith in dicot root is usually absent or small. Polyarch condition occurs in option B, monocot root. The innermost layer of cortex is option C, endodermis. Monocot root generally lack secondary growth. Hypodermis in dicot stem is made of option B, collenchyma. Hypodermis in monocot is made of option C, sclerenchyma. Vascular bundles in dicot stem are ring arranged. Vascular bundles in monocot stems are closed, option B. Bundle sheath is prominent in option B, monocot stem. Protoxylem lacunae is characteristic of option C, monocot stem. Endarch xylem occurs in option B, stem. Ground tissue system is undifferentiated in option C, monocot stem. Open vascular bundles contain option B, vascular cambium. Mesophyll in dicot leaf is differentiated into palisade and spongy tissue, option B. Vulliform cells occurs in option B, monocot leaf. Stomata are more numerous on lower epidermis in dicot dorsiventral leaf, option B. Crans anatomy is associated with option C, C4 plants. Bundle sheath cells are prominent in option A, Crans anatomy. Mesophyll is not differentiated in isobilateral leaves, option B. Cuticle is mainly composed of option C, cutin. Guard cells regulate option C, stomatal opening. Veins and veinlets consist of option C, vascular bundles. Leaf adapted to dry condition is option C, xerophyte. Secondary growth result in increase in secondary growth result in increase in girth. Option C. Vascular cambium produces secondary xylem and phloem. Option B. Annual ring are formed due to seasonal activity of cambium. Option B. Springwood is light colored and broad. Option C. Hardwood is dark colored non-functional wood. Option C. Sapwood is important in water conduction. Option B. Bark includes all tissues outside vascular cambium. Option B. Lenticels helps in option C. Gaseous exchange. Cork cells contain option C. Suberin. Periderm consists of phellum, phellogen, phellodem. Anomalous secondary growth is called included phloem is characteristic of option A. Bignonia. Successive cambia occur in option A. Bougainvillea. Monocots generally lack secondary growth. Option B. Secondary growth in Dracena occurs due to option B. accessory cambium. ഇത്രയാണ് ആൻജിയോസ്പം അനാട്ടമി എന്ന് പറയുന്ന പോർഷനിൽ നമ്മൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ. അപ്പം ഇത്രയും ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങൾ വർക്കൗട്ട് ചെയ്തതിന് ശേഷം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ആൻസർ കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടോ എന്നുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് സ്വയം വിലയിരുത്തി നോക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പം നെക്സ്റ്റ് ടോപ്പിക്കുമായിട്ട് ഉടനെ തന്നെ അടുത്തൊരു വീഡിയോ ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.